Finish this sentence. The cat sat on the... You said mat. Everyone says mat. The machine almost never will. We asked one. Its favorite answer is floor. And your answer? It is on the list, but where it ranks is going to hurt. Last time, we watched ChatGPT build its answer one piece at a time by guessing. Today, we crack the guessing station open, because what's inside is not what you think. Your words became pieces. Now the game. What comes next? Here's what's actually inside it. Not one answer, a score, for every piece it knows. All 50,000 ranked. We ran a small open cousin of ChatGPT, same machinery, so these are real numbers. Floor, about 8 in 100. Bed, 6.5. Couch, ground, edge, 14 pieces score above 1%. And mat, the human favorite, sits at number 31, less than 0.5%. The machine doesn't have an answer, it has a leaderboard. So obviously, it should pick the top of the leaderboard. Every time, right? We tried that, told it, always take number 1. Here's what it wrote. This is real. The cat sat on the floor. I'm sorry, she said. I'm sorry. 9 times. Always the best turns the machine into a broken record. It falls into a groove and circles forever. The best word, every single time, is the worst strategy. So instead, the machine rolls a dice, a weighted one, rolled across the leaderboard. High scorers win most rolls, but sometimes an underdog gets its day. Remember last episode, usually the likeliest piece, though sometimes it gambles? This is the gamble, and it solves a mystery we left open. Same question, twice. The dice lands differently, different answer. Not a bug, the design. But that raises a question. How big a gamble is it allowed to take? That is a setting. A knob. Turn it down. The dice barely wobbles. The cat sat on the bed, his fur safe, cozy. Middle, fingertips smeared with white coral fresco. Vivid. Now crank it. Word salad. Same machine, same leaderboard, one knob. Engineers call that knob the temperature, cold and careful, or hot and wild. 3 practical moves, all from one idea. 1. Regenerate is just re-rolling the dice. If an answer feels off, re-roll before you rewrite. 2. And here's the trick. The knob itself is usually locked inside your chat app, but your words reshape the leaderboard. Ask for the safe standard answer, and the safe pieces climb the board before the dice ever rolls. Ask for 5 wild options, and the underdogs rise. 3. Know when the dice is your enemy. Facts, code, and maths want boring rolls. Brainstorms want adventurous ones. And that time it confidently made something up? Different story, coming later in this series. But hang on. The leaderboard itself. How does the machine know floor fits this sentence better than pineapple? Who writes the scores? That's the machine's deepest secret, the round table we visited last time, and it's the next episode. Want the real engine today? The 2017 paper behind all of this is already torn apart right here. Subscribe and tinker along.